Hello YouTube viewers. Today I'd like to talk to you about getting better audio onto your cell phone videos really inexpensively. What I've found here turned out to be a really good little microphone. It's called the Andur ADM1 lavalier microphone, and it's a really nice little kit. I got it on Amazon for, I think it was about $20. It wasn't very much at all. So let's just pop this out of the box. I'll set the box down there. They give you a very nice little case with it, which I was quite surprised. And what surprised me even more is that everything in here is made out of machined aluminum. This particular model can be used on your cell phone, or it can also be used on your camera just by flipping that little switch there. Um, there's the little lavalier microphone with the foam screen on it, and you'll see it's probably pretty hard to see in the camera there, but this is all machined aluminum. I mean, it's really nice. The clip is all metal, nice little windscreen, and you will need, let's just set this nice little case down. Oh, they also give you a 1/4 inch jack for maybe putting into your soundboard or something like that if you have one. The one thing you will need to purchase separately is this little adapter, because it comes with, for older cell phones, they use a tip ring sleeve arrangement on there. So you'll need an adapter for your USB-C on most modern cell phones, and that just plugs right into there, and then the USB-C plugs into your cell phone. So we're going to give this a try. The audio I'm using right now is directly onto the Samsung FE, or 20 FE I think it's called, which is not bad, but I found that this actually works better. So we're going to take a quick break here, and when I come back we'll be using this microphone, and you let me know what you think. Okay, we're back, and we are using the Andur AD-M1 lavalier microphone now for our audio. Normally I wouldn't leave the wires hanging off me like this, but I've got it clipped on to my shirt pocket, and you let me know what you think. I can hear a distinct difference. The audio is much more clear, and for 20 bucks I think it's a major upgrade to a very basic kit for people doing YouTube videos or any kind of vlogging. So let me know what you think. See you back here next time. Remember, click on some of our other videos here, and remember to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot.